Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through the Roborock Saros 10R app settings. So we'll look at the device setup within the app. We'll go through some of the key settings and features. This is a main overview to help you understand more of what this robot vacuum is capable of doing. So if you're interested in the 10R or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at all of our Roborock devices set up within our app. And we can go ahead, we can select the 10R. This is your main screen where we already have our map populated. You'll notice some key metrics up at the top. We have a little prompt here with updates, all of that. So very nice, clean, minimal layout, nice and organized. We'll just start from the very top. We have our three dots for our settings. This is where we can view things like our cleaning history. So take a look at this. Nice breakdown here. And it can show you where it was able to go to clean. We'll grab another one. This will be a little bit better. So you can see clean the whole area here. It even puts obstacles on the map, right, that it encounters, which is pretty sweet. There's the dirt map, cleaning route. Again, very capable. It's identified chair, TV stand. It's smart. So it's building out the map, notifying you of all that. So pretty cool cleaning history. Then we have scheduling options. You can set a schedule here. Choose when you want to start, when you want it to repeat. What task do you want it to do? Full clean, routine, cruise. You can customize all of those settings right there. Then we have our floor cleaning settings. We can edit our surface for better cleaning if it didn't get something right. You can do all that. Carpet cleaning settings. What do you want it to do when it encounters carpets? Avoid, ignore, cross, rise. So it can lift up the mop pads, carpet boost, deep carpet cleaning, vacuum carpet first. There's lots of settings here. Just spend a minute getting familiar with them. Then we have our flexi arm design, extended cleaning and mopping. Choose how you want those to behave. Automatic remopping, auto detach and reinstall mop cloth mounts. This is a great feature. I've only seen it on Dreamy products, so it's awesome to see it now on Roborock vacuums that you can toggle that on or off. Basically, you can just leave the mop pads behind when it goes out to vacuum. Pet area deep cleaning if you have pets. Cleaning pattern, smart, clean along the floor direction, or mixed pattern cleaning, depending on the seams and layout of your floors, and if they're sensitive to maybe the wear and tear of a robot vac, or that's a concern to you, you can configure all of that right here. Then we have our dock settings, so we can adjust things like the mop wash frequency by room or by time. Washing mode, smart, light, balanced, or deep. So how much water volume do you want to use? And the temperature. Room, warm, or hot. Then we have smart cleaning solution filling. You can toggle that on or off. Dustbin auto empty frequency. Balanced high or off. Empty mode, smart, light, balanced, or max. Basically, as dirty as your environment is, you can choose what you need. So we have our drying method, manual, auto, or scheduled. In the duration, 2, 3, or 4 hours for the mop pad drying. And then self-cleaning for cleaning tray. You can do that right there within the app. Reactive obstacle avoidance, toggle on or off. Less collision mode, none balanced or sensitive. You can adjust the sensitivity. We also have a pet option here. You can toggle that on and pet snaps if you want. AI environment recognition. Fill light, basically, do you want the LED light to come on or off? You have auto or off. So if you're bothered at night or something like that, you can just disable that right there. Maintenance, this is when it's time to repair or replace, I should say, common items on your vacuum and mop. Nice breakdown here in runtime. Love the percentages, very easy. Then we can manage our maps. This is where we can choose to save maps if we have a multi-level layout, how you want it to process which floor it's on, smart or manual selection. Here's a look at our map. We can create new maps down at the bottom. We can edit our map where we can add things like no-go zones or invisible walls. You can also edit the rooms. You could add furniture. That's just for your own preference if you want to build out your map that way. You can edit the surface, change things like floor type, add carpet or thresholds. Voice assistant settings, if you want to use the voice assistant, you can toggle it on or off, adjust the volume, change the language, view the chat history. And we have all the commands here that you can browse. Remote viewing, So this is your remote viewing settings to enable it. This does have live video monitoring where you can patrol around the house, which is really cool. AI laboratory, so you can toggle on deep cleaning for heavy dirt or stains. Flexi arm design extended cleaning for crevices. So those features may change. You might see more in the future. Robot settings here, do not disturb, button lights on or off, voice assistant indicator light, child lock, off-peak charging, offline map. You can adjust the unit right here. Pick and choose which one you want. But a lot of settings there. Pin and go if you want to drop a pin on the map and it can go there, and then you can do a spot clean. Remote control if you want to manually drive it with buttons or with the joystick. Spot clean and go back to home. User manual, product info, firmware updates, device sharing. You can share this if you want to. Grab an email or a phone number there. And then lastly, you can delete the device. So a lot of settings here. Back to the main overview screen. Below the three dots that we just clicked on, we have a map and pencil icon here where we can view all of our map options, backup, restore, delete. We can change our map right here if we have multiple maps connected. We can view map details. So how do you want to see the map? 2D or 3D? Do you want to see everything at the bottom? You can toggle them on or off. Up to you. And then we can add our no-go zones, edit the rooms, furniture, all of that again, you can view right there. Then we have the camera icon. That's the live video monitoring that you can enter into. Then we have a breakout of our map with the different rooms. Full room, zone, and routine options down here at the bottom. So choose how you want to clean. Again, everything's just touch and simple. Drag and drop if you want to do multiple zones. So 5 zones at a time for those that are interested. And then here's our routines if you want to add your own routine. Use some of the recommended routines. You get the idea. And then we have 3 more buttons. Vacuum and mop. This is our options here for cleaning. We can do Roborock's very own smart plan. Basically, they're AI-powered cleaning. Or we can do vacuum and mop, just vacuum, or customize depending on what we want. Basically, room by room clean. So when we look at the vacuum only, we have lots of suction power options, 5, and 2 route options, basically fast and standard. When we look at mopping, we have 3 water flow levels and a customization option. We have 4 route options, fast, standard, deep, and then a deep plus. And then vacuum and mop, you'll notice we have 4 suction options, and we have our standard and fast mode there. So if you want more customization, just choose vacuum or mop and get a deeper clean. We have vacuum and mop, or you could do smart plan and let the AI take care of it. Front and center at the bottom, we have our play button to activate and start our clean. And then we have our dock button here, giving us dock controls. We can empty, wash, and dry right from here. And we can quickly get to all of our dock settings to adjust. And if you hit that more, it'll take you to the settings that we looked at for the dock within the settings section. So there's all the dock settings right there, or we can just quickly access some of them right there. So a very detailed mobile app that's highly customizable.